Hi there, welcome back. So on this 2004 Mitsubishi Galant, I just want to show you how to replace your blower motor resistor, which is this right here. So first you have to remove the glove box, which is this piece right here, and you're going to remove 6 screws that hold in this piece that the glove box mounted in. 6 screws, which are these right here. I use a star pine screwdriver to get to it. So as you can see behind there, they have a star pine thumper screwdriver, which I have to use to get out the bolt to the back. It's a bit difficult around here, but that's why I have to remove the screw. There are 2 of them around there. So let me see if I can remove it. Alright, so I'll get out one of them. So I have to use this short screwdriver to get it out. Alright, so I'll get out the other one. There are 2 screws. This is the whole one, guys. So just need to remove these clips. So I'm going to have to press this clip and pull it out. So let's pause the video and see if I can get it out. Okay, so I have to use this flat pine screwdriver to press the clip in, so I can be able to get it out, guys. So that's it right there, that's the wire harness. So let me match it up and see that both of them are the same thing. You can see the exact same thing, guys. Alright, so let me mount the new one. Alright, so that's it right there. Is putting back the screw. Alright, so let me get the screws in. Alright guys, so now I complete it, guys. So that's it right there. So what happened, the blower motor wasn't working due to this blockage right here. So what it do is overload the system and damage the blower motor resistor. So it wasn't working, so I have to replace the blower motor also. So I will show you another video. You'll see another video on the channel showing how to replace the motor as well. That's it right here, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.